What's growing on, gardeners? On today's 2-minute garden tip, I'm going to show you the one fig variety that virtually every single gardener should be growing, especially growers with short summers where most varieties of figs struggle to ripen. If you've been following my channel for a long time, you know I absolutely love fig trees. In fact, I have been collecting them and breeding them for many years, and now I have well over 100 fig trees. But here where I live on the southeastern coast of North Carolina, Zone 8B, I can ripen any fig variety I want because our summers are so long and hot. Now, figs require a lot of warm weather in order for them to mature. Once those little tiny figlets form in spring, it can take 90 days or more for most varieties of figs to reach maturity. So unfortunately, a lot of growers with short, cool summers often feel left out when it comes to growing figs. That is why I absolutely love the fig variety Ronde de Bordeaux. It is by far my earliest fig in terms of main crop production. And the flavor on this tree is absolutely fantastic. So many early figs just don't have that great of flavor. Well, this one can compete with many of the mid to late season figs. And because it is so early and so wildly productive, growers in very short summer climates have a chance to get a nice harvest off of their tree growing this variety. This pot in the middle right here is my Ronde de Bordeaux fig tree, and its production and earliness is impressive. We have a fig in the center there, way down low, that is starting to ripen. I have a fig that is back here, actually two figs in the shade area that are already turning purple. I have another beautiful fig right here that is turning purple and will be ready in a day or two. And on this branch right here, there is incredible fig production and count them, 4 figs that are just about ready for harvest, with 2 of them actually ready for picking right now, especially that beauty right there that is exhibiting the cracking. Now, picking the perfect fig is an art. You want to wait until the figs start to shrivel up and frankly look overripe. But because figs are not true fruits, they're a syconium, they don't ripen after you pick them. So once you remove the fig from the tree, it will never get any better. It'll start withering and dying just like a flower, because these are actually thousands of inverted flowers inside there. So this fig right here is just perfect. We are going to pick that, and it has a very soft, squishy, almost jelly-like texture, and that's what you want. You want it to be a jammy-like interior. Today is only June 30th, and I am already harvesting Ronde de Bordeaux figs, and there are many more that you just saw that will be ready any day now. And I'm so excited that I get to share the very first main crop fig of the season with you all. Wow! If that is just not the most beautiful fig you have ever seen, I don't know what is. That is incredible. Look how perfect that is. Perfectly ripened because it's been so dry here. And what is truly incredible about the Ronde de Bordeaux fig is, because it is so early, a lot of times if you live in a place with a rainy season like we do here in this coastal southeast, we can beat the rainy season while it's still fairly dry in mid to late June and early July before things get absolutely terrible come late July and August. So I can't wait to try this right here. Oh, it just tastes so good to have a fresh fig again. It's been almost a year, and this tastes like blackberries and cherries with a little bit of honey. Just delicious. So if you think your summers are too short and cool to ripen main crop figs, or you live in a climate with very heavy thunderstorms in the summer and you want a variety that ripens its crop before the heart of the thunderstorm season, please consider Ronde de Bordeaux. It is very easy to find, and I will link a video both above and down in the video description that will show you some great places on where to buy figs. And that's today's 2-minute garden tip.
If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell to receive new video notifications, and check out our Amazon storefront and spread shop in the video description for a list of the gardening products I use and awesome custom designed apparel and other gear. Your support is greatly appreciated.